Hey guys, it's Edward, and if you ever tried to build a GrandDaddy go-kart, one thing you learn is that it's hard to find what the parts look like outside of being attached to a go-kart. So I'm gonna make this video with my BMI go-kart haul. Here's a tire. To give you guys something, here's a gallon jug of paint. You can see the size difference here. Just giving you guys a reference to something to look at. So these are the BMI Karts tires that you would probably get if you ordered the BMI Karts kit. I bought all my parts separately. I went through the cart and added all the parts one at a time just to see what they were. Here's the bearings. This is something I couldn't find to get a scale of. Have a look at these up close. Right, and they fit. I'm a size 9 glove, so you guys can see that. Pretty cool. So I guess these have some bearing misalignment ability. That was something I was thinking about. Oh, maybe not. That looks really aligned. Cool. Super cool. Okay. Here's the chain. Pretty cool. More bearings. Kind of don't want to take these out, guys, but here's some of the locking clips, nuts and bolts to get us going. Pretty neat. I think I ordered another set of these without thinking about it, but now I got even more. Oh, I ordered a kit, that's right. So let's see how this lines up. Pretty neat stuff, guys. Now I wanted the axle before I welded these on, so I wanted an axle to have the alignment, just make sure I'm not misaligned. So, ooh, I've never seen these before. It's pretty cool. I don't know how these actually link together. I don't know why I have 3 of them. I guess we'll find out as we get going. Oh, this is cool. I'm not really sure what this is, other than it goes a wheel, right, attaches to it, but I don't know what the name of the part is. And part of this reason I built this project is to learn how these carts are actually work and how they're fabricated. I have no idea what this stuff is. It's probably like hydraulic fluid or something. Okay, alright guys, come take a look at this. Let's go. Some of this I took out because I didn't know what's what, so. I don't like styrofoam. Okay, so the keyway, kind of a long keyway, guys. Is there only one keyway? I wonder if this keyway is for the sprocket, and then there's a keyway on the hubs or axle mounts or whatever you call that part. This was cool. This part, like to see this perfectly straight, this is a really cool part to hold in your hand. Now this part, guys, is a part I haven't actually looked at. So, let's see what I got here to open this with. Let's take a look, guys. Let's take a look. There was a brake set, brake, and then pedals. I'm hoping. Adjust the volume here. Let me clip this here. Okay. That it looks as cool as I thought it would look. Okay. Air light Nylaflow pressure tubing. A steering wheel. Oh yeah! Look at that. somewhere else. Let's see, I saw a guy on YouTube put it in his hat, so that's what we'll put. Okay, that's really cool. Oh, cool. Look at that. Bearing's already pressed in. Probably for the front wheels, I think. It's pretty awesome, guys. There's something called a jack shaft where you change the positions of this so you don't hit rocks and have it hit the chain. That's something I am interested in. Wow, brake rotor. Smaller than I thought. Really neat though. Still really neat. Is this a gas pedal? These look way less cooler than I thought, guys. I don't know about that. I want to bend those in pieces trying to stop. Okay. Oh, really cool also. I guess these go... Is this how they go? They go in this part right here, I think. Yeah, that makes about sense. Some way like that. Another wheel bearing. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, the best for last. Cool. Probably the most complex moving part. Oh, that's cool. Look at this. Check this out. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is neat to see up close. Made in USA. Really? That is cool. That is really cool. We're recording. All right, guys, I'm back. Here's a reservoir. I fished around in the peanuts and I found more stuff. So here's like a reservoir, I suppose, for the brakes. That's cool too. I was wondering, I was like, well, isn't there something else that goes with brakes other than just the calipers? But here's a funny thing. I don't know if you guys ever order from Uline, but they stuff their propaganda and everything, single thing you buy from Uline. Finally, there's a use for one of their booklets. So, don't know what this is, but it's cool. I mean, obviously it does something to the axle, probably a sprocket holder. If you like the projects, you like me, you like 3D printing, dad stuff, whatever, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next build or show and tell or whatever I'm into next. If I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll do all kinds of fun projects on the screen. 1,000 subscribers that actually leave comments and interact. So it's not fun to go make a video and then it's just like sitting there in space doing nothing. So I'll see you later, guys. Take care and bye-bye.